I'll show you how to download music on Spotify. Make sure to watch this video to the very end so you won't make any mistakes. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel. This is the best support for me. So what you're gonna do, we need to open our Spotify app and then just simply find the necessary track we'd like to download. And firstly, we need to open it on this page, like the all information about our song. And as you can see, there is no option to basically like download or do some other stuff. If you click on more, even we won't be able to find option to download. And we need to open our song is a playlist. So we need to click on add to playlist here and then just create a new playlist. I'm going to use like download. Then just simply click on create. You can also add more songs here on this playlist. For example, I'd like to add maybe this song. So let's try to click on add to playlist and I'd like to add it to this stuff here. When everything is ready, we can just simply go to our library. So I'm going to close this window, going to open your library in the right bottom corner, and then just simply click on download playlist. Basically, you need to know that this feature is only available on Spotify Premium, so you can buy the subscription. It's like monthly on annual, so you can even buy like family plan or like personal plan and so on. And in order to download playlist, we have two options. We can click on this arrow in the left side menu near like avatar to add friends, and it will be successfully downloaded. Or we can click on more and also like click on basically download here. So it's definitely the best way of how to download music on Spotify. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.